Here are a few operating tips to help you get the best performance from your CL dish machine. Before handling dish machine chemicals, always use personal protective equipment, including appropriate gloves and eye protection, and follow the chemical supplier instructions for handling. Pre-scrap and rinse ware to remove large food particles and debris. Place the ware in a plastic dish rack and be sure to leave adequate spacing between items. Do not stack pans, ware, or dish racks on top of one another. Do not allow foreign objects to enter the machine, especially metallic contaminants. To load cutting boards and sheet pans, use the optional sheet pan rack and load them on their side. Periodically check, empty, rinse, and replace the scrap basket, as well as the ASR basket if equipped. Do not allow food soil to accumulate on the bottom of the wash tank. When needed, drain and refill the wash water throughout the day. See the CL cleaning video for instructions. Clean and drain the machine at the end of the day. And leave the doors open for the machine to dry out. Only use chemicals approved for use with automatic commercial dishwashers. Do not exceed your chemical provider's recommended concentrations for detergent, sanitizer, rinse aid, or delimer. Note that failure to follow use, care, and maintenance instructions may void your Hobart commercial dishwasher warranty.